Very good morning, children. Today we'll be starting the next part, that is operations on sets. Many of you might have learned. So the first operation is union, second operation is intersection, and third operation is difference. Okay, so there are three operations: union, intersection. Union is denoted by U, intersection symbol is denoted by N, like this, and difference, try that again, difference is denoted by minus. Okay, so to explain all this, I'll take an example of set A. So I'll take set A as 1, 2, 4, 7, 9. I'll take set B as 3, 4, 2, 9, 11, 30. Okay. Now union means combining all the sets. If I say A union B, it means combine all the elements of set A and set B without repetition. Simplest way, what will I do? I'll copy all the elements of first set first. It is 1, 2, 4, 7, 9. Once I have copied all the elements of set A, I'll copy only those elements of set B which are not written here. So 3 is not written, so I'll write 3. 4 is already there. 2 already there. 9 already there. So I'll write 11, 13. So A union B will be all elements of set A as well as B, but once. Okay, combining elements of both the sets. Now intersection. A intersection B means only common elements between both the sets. So what are common elements between both these sets? You can see 2, 2, 4, 4, 9, 9. Only 3 elements are common. So I'll write 2, 4, 9. So intersection means common elements between the both sets. Okay. Next, very important, what is A minus B? Like in mathematics, A minus B is different, B minus A is different. Here also A minus B set and B minus A set will be different. Now A minus B का मतलब है all elements of set A, all elements of set A which are not in B, means A के वही elements copy करने हैं जो B में नहीं है. तो see, A का 1 B में है क्या? नहीं. So I'll copy 1. Then A का 2 is present in B, I will not copy. A का 4 present in B, I will not copy. 7 is not present here, so I'll write 7. 9 is there, so I'll not write 9. So my A minus B आएगा 1, 7. I am least bothered about the remaining elements of B. Sif, I have to focus on first set. Now B minus A. B minus A का मतलब है all elements of B which are not in A. तो B के सारे elements जो A में नहीं हैं. So 3, these 3 dash already there. So 3, 11, 13. So 3, 11, 13. Understood? Yes. From here we can say that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Understood? Union, intersection and difference. Clear everybody? Okay. Now we'll focus sums on this. Then, okay. Children will solve sums from exercise 1.4. Now I will not be solving all the sums. Different varieties of sums I will solve. Okay. Again, this is from CBSE. The next time we'll take sums from HSC because they are the concluding part of the chapter. Okay. First one, find the union of the following pairs of set. I'll take the first one in that. That is, x is given as 1, 3, 5 and y is given as 1, 2, 3. I want to find union. So x union y. What will I get? As usual, I'll copy the first set. So 1, 3, 5 I have copied. From y, 1 already hai, 2 is not there. So I'll copy 2. Okay. Then second one you will do. Third one, A is a set of natural numbers and multiple of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Correct? B is a natural number less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इसका यूनियन निकालना है. So A union B क्या आएगा? If I write order wise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we have 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. Correct? Understood? Okay, now fifth one I'll take. Fourth one you will do again. A is 1, 2, 3 and B is null set. So A union B क्या आएगा? A B null set है, empty set है. A union B will definitely be A itself. So A union B, I'll get the answer as A. क्या आएगा A union B? A. Okay, understood? Now question number 2. They have given A as A comma B, B as A, B, C. You have to check, is A a subset of B? Can you say A is a subset of B? Yes, A is a subset of B. Correct. All elements of A are present in B. Then you have to find A union B. So A union B. Okay. So what is A union B over here? I'll get A, B, C. है ना? A, B, C is which set? Set B. What I'm getting? Set B. So why they have asked this question? Because they want to explain that if A is a subset of B, then A union B जो है, it will come B because B is leading the race. So if A is a subset of B, then A union B is definitely B. A very important property. Okay, understood? Yeah. Now question number 3 you can do. Question number, we'll do 6. Okay. Question number 6 we'll do now. So question number 6, they are talking about a set A as 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Set B as 7, 9, 11, 13. Set C as 11, 13, 15. And set D as 15, 17. Few I'll solve. Okay, first part they are asking A intersection B. Intersection means what? Common elements. So what is common between A and B? What is common? You can see it is 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11 is common. Then we have B intersection C. What is B intersection C? What is common over here? 11 and 13. So 11 and 13. Okay. The third one is interesting. They are asking A intersection C intersection D. It is talking about intersections of 3 sets. It means all 3 should have same element. I'll write only those elements which are common in all three sets. So A, C and D. Any element which is present in all three sets? 3 not there. No. 11 is there. Again 11 वहां पर नहीं है. 15 is there. 15 यहाँ पर नहीं है. So it will be a null set. क्या आएगा? Null set. Okay. Then we have A intersection B union C. Here I will solve bracket by bracket. First I will find what is B union C. So let us find B union C is how much. So B union C क्या आएगा? 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 9, 11, 13, 15. Now A having common elements with B union C. मतलब इसमें और इसमें what is common? Can you say anything common? Yes. What is that? 7, 9, 11. So what is the answer of this? 7, 9, 11. Understood? Yes? The next sum, it is A union D intersection B union C. So what will I do? I will first find A union D is how much? We always solve bracket by bracket. So A union D आता है 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17. ठीक है? Then B union C, we had already found there. What is that? 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Correct? This is done. This is done. Now common between both of them. That is common between both of them. So A union D intersection B union C. What is common between them? 9, 11, 13. Sorry. 9, 11, 15 is common. So I'll write 9, 11, 15. Okay? ठीक है? Now question number 7 you will solve. 8 also you will solve. Okay, 8th will do. Which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? Disjoint means there is nothing common. If two sets are having nothing common, they are called as disjoint sets. If A intersection B comes out to be a null set, then it is called as A and B are disjoint sets. Okay. Let us solve question number 9 now. It is based on subtraction. So again set A is given as 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Set B is given as 4, 8, 12, 20, 16. Then C is given as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Set D is given as 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay? I need to find A minus B. 4, 5 I will do, children. Remaining you try. B minus A, C minus B, D minus C. Okay? This I will do. Clear? Okay. A minus B. Subtraction का मतलब क्या है? All elements of A which are not present in B. It means whatever may be the answer has to be from this only. I will not touch this because A is my first set. So see, 3 is not present here, so I'll write 3. 6 not present, I'll write 6. 9 not present, I'll write 12 is there, so 12 minus 12, 0 goes away. 15 not present, 18 not present, 21 not present. This is A minus B, correct? Same I will go for A minus C. All elements from this which are not present over there. So 3 नहीं है वहां पर, 6 is there, 9 नहीं है, 12 is there, 15 नहीं है, 18 नहीं है, 21 नहीं है. Okay, understood? Then B minus A, उल्टा, all elements of B which are not in A. मतलब मेरा आंसर इसमें से आएगा. 4 not present, 8 not present, 12 है, 16 not present, 20 not present. ठीक है. C minus B, all elements from set C. तो देखो 2 not present, 4 is there, 6 not present, 8 है, 10 not present, 12 present, 14 not present, 16 है, then 14. ठीक है. This is your answer. Correct. Last D minus C. तो D minus C means आंसर इन चारों में से आएगा. 5, sorry, here D minus C. 5 is not present. 10 है तो leave 10. 15 नहीं है, I will take. 20 नहीं है, I will take. क्या आएगा? 5, 15, 20. Okay.